Data preprocessing. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get a data frame from the request to the data API, which returns a dictionary. This object works as the layers of the onions. You need to access to the repeated information to later transform it into a data frame. Therefore, first we get into bars and then into AAPL. So first bars we execute, and now within the symbol of the stock. We execute, and there we get the repeated rows that now, importing pandas, we will transform into a data frame. We save it into a variable. We will rename the columns to have legible names. With the function rename, we pass the columns to be O equals open until the columns of interest. We save it back, drop these two columns because they aren't of interest, drop columns N and VWV, save it back, and set the date as the index of the data frame instead of the numbers. Save it back. Now if we want to apply a mathematical operation such as the mean value, we can do it because the type of object is able to perform these operations instead of the data stock that we had earlier. Also, if we want to create plots, we can use the function plot and visualize the data. Nevertheless, in the x-axis, the dates aren't clearly defined because the type of object in the index is objects, not a date time. Therefore, we need to transform this object to date time to have the date time, save it back into the index, visualize the data, and now the dates are clearly defined. If I download the data of the crypto, I get the dictionary for the Bitcoin. But I don't want the data in this format. I want the data in a data frame. Am I going to write the same lines of code again and again? Of course not. This is programming, and anything that could be automated to not repeat the processes can be. In the following tutorial, I will show you how to transform the dictionaries, the JSONs, into a data frames from Pandas, with only one line of code instead of repeating all of the lines again and again.